Picture this, a sleek, modern barndominium with that stunning single-slope roof everyone's talking about in 2026. But here's the game changer. Underneath, you've got a full walkout basement doubling your living space. I'm about to show you how this design combination is quietly becoming the smartest build decision you can make this year. And I'll break down the real costs, the design advantages, and why this particular setup might save you tens of thousands compared to traditional construction. Stick with me to the end because I'm sharing actual 2026 pricing for a complete build that'll blow your mind. Before we dive deep, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I'm dropping honest, no fluff content about alternative housing every single week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. What is a single-slope barndominium with basement? Let's break down exactly what we're talking about here. A single-slope barndominium, also called a shed roof or monoslope barndominium, features one continuous roof plane that angles from one side of the building to the other. No traditional peaked roof, no valleys, just one clean, dramatic slope. This creates that ultra-modern aesthetic that's absolutely dominating 2026 design trends. Now combine that with a basement foundation. We're not talking about your typical slab-on-grade that most barndominiums use. We're talking about a full basement, partial basement, or better yet, a walkout basement design that essentially gives you a completely separate lower level with direct outdoor access. Here's why this matters. That single slope roof creates incredible interior height on one side of your building. Imagine 16 to 20 foot ceilings where the roof is highest, flooding your great room with natural light through massive windows. Then, underneath all of that, you've got an entire basement level that can add 30 to 50% more living space without increasing your building's footprint. The single slope roof typically runs at a 412 to 612 pitch. What that means in real terms is for every 12 horizontal feet, the roof rises 4 to 6 feet vertically. This creates excellent drainage, prevents snow buildup, and gives you that clean, contemporary look that makes people stop and stare. The basement component is where this gets really interesting. On sloped lots, you can do a walkout basement where one side opens directly to grade level. This isn't some dark dungeon. We're talking floor-to-ceiling windows, patio doors, maybe even a covered patio area. It feels like a first-floor apartment that happens to be partially underground on the uphill side. The real costs for 2026? Alright, let's talk money, because this is what everyone really wants to know. I'm going to give you honest 2026 numbers based on current market data. For a standard barndominium built on a concrete slab, you're looking at foundation costs of $6 to $14 per square foot. But when you add a basement, that foundation cost jumps to $35 to $50+ per square foot. I know that sounds like a massive increase, but stay with me because the value proposition is actually incredible. Let's work through a real example. A 2,000 square foot main level barndominium with single slope roof and a 2,000 square foot basement. Main level shell costs. Building kit package runs $40,000 to $70,000. Single slope roof framing and metal roofing costs $18,000 to $28,000. End walls with large windows for that high side runs $12,000 to $18,000. Basement foundation. Full basement foundation for 2,000 square feet at $35 to $50 per square foot runs $70,000 to $100,000. This includes excavation, footings, walls, waterproofing, and drainage systems. So your shell and foundation together run $140,000 to $216,000 before any interior finishes. That's significantly more than a slab foundation barndo, but you're getting 4,000 total square feet of space, not 2,000. Interior finishing for main level at 2,000 square feet. Budget finish runs $80,000 to $100,000 at $40 to $50 per square foot. Mid-range finish runs $120,000 to $160,000 at $60 to $80 per square foot. High-end finish runs $180,000 to $240,000 at $90 to $120 per square foot. Basement finishing costs are typically lower because you might leave portions unfinished for storage or finish them more, basically. Basement at 2,000 square feet. Basic finish for half at 1,000 square feet runs $30,000 to $40,000. Leaving 1,000 square feet unfinished for storage workshop, or mechanical rooms. Additional costs include permits and engineering at $3,000 to $8,000, site prep and grading, especially important for walkout basement, at $8,000 to $25,000, utilities including well and septic, if rural, at $15,000 to $35,000, driveway at $8,000 to $15,000. Total turnkey cost for this 2,000 square foot main level plus 1,000 square foot finished basement runs $284,000 to $499,000. That works out to $95 to $166 per square foot for 3,000 total finished square feet. Compare this to building a 3,000 square foot single-story barndominium on a slab, which would cost $195,000 to $480,000 but require a much larger building footprint. The basement version actually saves you money on a per square foot basis while giving you that dramatic single-slope design and better land utilization. For 2026, material costs have stabilized after the peaks of 2021 to 2023. Steel prices are down 4 to 8% from 2025, which is great news for metal building construction. However, labor shortages continue to impact pricing in certain regions, adding 5 to 15% to labor costs in high-demand areas. Single-slope roof advantages. Let me tell you why the single-slope roof is absolutely crushing it in 2026. This isn't just about looks, although it does look incredible. Speed of construction is huge. Single-slope roofs are the fastest roof style to frame and install. No complex valley cuts, no ridge beams to align, no intricate hip and valley calculations. Your framing crew can knock out a single-slope roof 30 to 40% faster than a traditional gable or hip roof. Time is money in construction. Modern aesthetic appeal is undeniable. If you want your barndominium to look contemporary and distinct, single-slope delivers. It photographs beautifully, stands out in any neighborhood, and appeals to buyers who want something different from cookie-cutter traditional homes. Natural light maximization is a massive benefit. That tall wall on the high side of your slope is perfect for floor-to-ceiling windows. I'm talking 12, 16, even 20-foot tall windows flooding your great room with light. This creates an incredible sense of space and connects your interior to the outdoors in a way traditional roofs just can't match. Simplified construction means fewer materials. You need less lumber or steel for trusses, less roofing material overall, and fewer labor hours. This directly translates to cost savings of 10 to 25% compared to complex roof designs. Excellent drainage and snow management. That slope naturally sheds water and snow. In winter climates, you won't deal with snow buildup or ice damming that can plague flat or low slope roofs. Everything slides right off. Energy efficiency potential is outstanding. Install solar panels on that south-facing slope and you've got optimal positioning for maximum energy production. The high ceilings also create natural convection currents that improve air circulation and can reduce cooling costs in summer. Easy maintenance and long lifespan. Metal roofing on a single slope can last 40 to 50 years with minimal maintenance. No valleys to clean out, no complex flashing details to fail. It's just one continuous plane doing its job. Basement design advantages. Now let's talk about why adding that basement takes this from great to absolutely exceptional. Space multiplication without footprint expansion. This is the big one. You can essentially double your living space without making your building physically larger. On a smaller lot, this is game-changing. You get a 2,000 square foot building footprint, but 3,000 to 4,000 square feet of actual living space. Walkout basement functionality is incredible on sloped lots. One side of your basement opens directly to the backyard at grade level. This creates seamless indoor-outdoor living on the lower level. Install patio doors, add a covered patio, and suddenly your basement is a fully functional living level, not a dark underground space. Flexibility for future expansion means you can finish the basement in phases. Build the structure now, but leave portions unfinished. As your family grows or your needs change, finish additional rooms. This spreads your costs over time while maintaining the option for future expansion. Natural cooling in summer climates. Basements stay naturally cooler. In hot summer areas, that lower level becomes a retreat when temperatures soar. This can significantly reduce your cooling costs. Storm protection and safety. In tornado-prone areas, a basement provides critical storm shelter space. This peace of mind is priceless in severe weather regions. Storage and mechanical space. Even if you don't finish the entire basement, unfinished portions provide valuable storage for seasonal items, workshop space, or housing for mechanical systems like HVAC, water heaters, and water treatment equipment. Rental income potential. A well-designed walkout basement can function as a separate living unit. Think mother-in-law suite, rental apartment, or Airbnb space. This creates income-generating potential that can offset your mortgage. Increased property value. Homes with basements typically appraise 15 to 20% higher than comparable homes without basements, assuming the basement is properly finished. That equity boost can be substantial. Design considerations and challenges. I need to be honest with you about the challenges, because this isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Site requirements are specific. Not every lot works for a walkout basement. You need adequate slope, typically at least 6 to 8 feet of elevation change from front to back. Flat lots can still do a full basement, but you lose that walkout advantage. Soil conditions matter enormously. Clay-heavy soils with poor drainage require more extensive waterproofing. High water tables can make basements impractical or extremely expensive. Moisture management is critical and non-negotiable. Basements require professional waterproofing. This includes exterior waterproof membranes on foundation walls, proper drainage systems like French drains around the perimeter, sump pumps in areas with high water tables, dehumidification systems to control interior moisture. Skimping on waterproofing will cost you dearly in mold, structural damage, and headaches. Budget $5,000 to $15,000 for comprehensive waterproofing systems. Building codes and engineering. Basement construction requires engineer-stamped foundation plans in most jurisdictions. Inspections are more rigorous. Permits can take longer to obtain. Work with builders experienced in basement construction. Egress requirements for safety. Any finished basement bedroom needs proper egress windows meeting code requirements for emergency exit. These are larger windows, typically 5.7 square feet minimum opening, with wells if below grade. Each egress window and well adds $2,000 to $4,000 to your cost. HVAC and climate control complexity. Heating and cooling a multi-level home with a basement requires more sophisticated HVAC design. You might need zoned systems to maintain comfortable temperatures on all levels. Budget $12,000 to $25,000 for a properly sized zoned HVAC system. Single slope roof considerations include ceiling height planning. The low side of your single slope might only allow 8 to 10 foot ceilings. Plan your layout so living areas are under the high side and bedrooms, bathrooms, or storage are under the low side. Interior layout takes thought. Open concept works beautifully with single slope because you maximize that dramatic ceiling height. Placing interior walls can interrupt the visual flow. Cost is genuinely higher up front. You're paying significantly more for that basement foundation. If budget is extremely tight, a slab foundation might be more realistic initially. Real-world example, 40x50 single slope with walkout basement. Let me walk you through a real example that represents what's being built in 2026. This is a 40x50 building that's 2,000 square feet per level. Exterior design features single slope roof rising from 12 feet on the low side to 22 feet on the high side, creating dramatic interior volume. High side features floor-to-ceiling windows, 20 feet tall with black metal framing for modern industrial aesthetic. Exterior cladding, mixed materials, vertical metal siding on most of the building with board and batten accent sections. Color scheme, charcoal gray metal with black trim and natural wood accents. Main level layout at 2,000 square feet. Great room with 20-foot ceilings under the high side of the slope, open to kitchen and dining. Kitchen with large island, high-end appliances, and walk-in pantry. Primary suite with spa bathroom and walk-in closet. Home office or guest bedroom. Laundry room, powder room. Walkout basement level at 2,000 square feet. 1,000 square feet finished as family room, 2 bedrooms, and full bathroom with separate entrance for potential rental or in-law suite. 1,000 square feet left unfinished for workshop, storage, and mechanical room. Cost breakdown. Shell and foundation at $168,000 includes building kit, $52,000, single slope roof system, $24,000, end walls and windows, $16,000, walkout basement foundation, $76,000. Main level interior finish at $140,000, mid-range finishes at $70 per square foot, basement interior finish at $35,000, for 1,000 square feet at $35 per square foot basic finish. Site work and additional costs at $47,000 includes site grading for walkout $18,000, well and septic $22,000, driveway and landscaping $7,000. Total project cost $390,000 for 3,000 finished square feet at $130 per square foot. That's well below the 2026 average of $190,000 to $290,000 for just a 2,000 square foot traditional home. And you're getting 50% more space plus that incredible modern design. So should you build a single slope barndominium with basement? Here's my honest take. This is perfect for you if you're building on a sloped lot and want to maximize that natural topography. You want modern, contemporary aesthetics, not traditional farmhouse style. You need serious square footage, but have a limited building footprint due to lot size or setback requirements. You value natural light and dramatic interior spaces. You're in a region with stable soil conditions and manageable water tables. You have the budget for higher upfront foundation costs, but want long-term value. You plan to stay in the home long-term or are building for resale in a market that appreciates modern design. This might not be for you if you're on a completely flat lot without any slope for a walkout design. You have very tight budget constraints and can't afford the $35 to $50 per square foot basement foundation cost. You're in an area with very high water tables or problematic soil conditions, making basements impractical. You prefer traditional peaked roof aesthetics. You're building in a market where basement homes don't command premium pricing. My bottom line is that the single-slope barndominium with basement represents one of the smartest design combinations available in 2026 for the right situation. You get maximum living space, dramatic modern design, excellent functionality, and strong resale value potential. The upfront cost is higher than a basic slab foundation barndo, but the value per square foot is actually better, and the design flexibility is unmatched. The key is working with experienced builders who understand both metal building construction and proper basement installation. Don't cut corners on waterproofing and drainage. Invest in good engineering and proper site preparation. Done right, this combination creates an absolutely stunning home that will serve you well for decades. If you're seriously considering this design, check your local building codes first. Get a geotechnical evaluation of your soil. Obtain quotes from multiple builders experienced in basement construction. Create a realistic budget that includes all costs, not just the shell. Visit completed single-slope barndominiums with basements if possible to see the design in person. Have you built or are you planning to build a single-slope barndominium with basement? I want to hear about your experience in the comments below. What challenges did you face? What would you do differently? Your insights help the entire community. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest, detailed content about alternative housing and barndominium construction. I've got more videos coming on specific design elements, cost-saving strategies, and real builder interviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.